Ginagawa mo.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! So for today's video, I decided to try this bushy eyebrow. Bagay ba sa akin? Please do let me know your insight in the comment section. Hi! So, simulan na natin. So, as you can see, I'm already done with the base, with my contour, blush, my lip gloss, and also with my nose line and lip. So, ayun, ginawa ko na yung makeup ko since yung focus lang naman natin dito is the eyebrow, the bushy eyebrow. So, ayun, this how my kilay look like when I didn't put anything on it. Medyo manipis lang yung kilay ko, so let's see kung bagay pa sa akin yung bushy eyebrow. So, before I finally start, tali muna tayo ng ating hair. So, ayun, I use bait clips kasi sobrang dami ng baby hair ko. First, I have here the atomizer or the spray bottle with water. Gagamitin natin siya para sa ating brow soap. And then I have here Kiss Beauty brow soap. Sobrang mura niya, guys. I just bought it from Lazada for only 39 pesos. Can you believe that? Just a disclaimer lang po, there is no promotion or whatsoever with this content. So, ayun, buksan na natin siya. This is my first time to use this brow soap. Ayan, may kasama na siyang spoolie brush. Ayan, i-bend natin siya ng konti para pag-apply natin mamaya. So, ayun, ito yung itsura ng brow soap. As you can see, colorless siya, transparent. Ganda. Okay, first, babasahin muna natin ang ating spoolie brush with water. And then, ayan, gently apply to our brow. Pataas. And then I have here my uncle brush. Inayos ko lang ng konti yung edge ng kilay ko. let's start to the other side. Ayan, ayan na yung itsura. Ganda niya. And then I have here my mascara. Manipis lang ang kilay ko, that's why I decided to put a bit mascara on it para medyo mag-dark siya. Onti lang kasi pag madami, mamumuo siya. So, ayun, para medyo mag-dark lang yung kulay ng eyebrow ko. And then I add up again a brow soap. Second layer. So, ayun, this is how it's look. My bushy eyebrow. And then I have here eyelash curler. Again, the mascara I used kanina. And then I have here eyeliner. that's all for today's look. Thank you for watching.